I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
It doesn't matter how you cut your potato, the matter is always to have it golden and super crunchy fries at the end. Welcome to Let's Google It, everyone, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a super crunchy fries at home. And very important to use a russet potato, and of course they were peeled and washed, and as I said, doesn't matter how you cut them, you can cut it a home fries cut like this one here, or French fries cut, or a crinkle cut. We start with a good amount of salt in the water. Then you put all the potatoes in, stove on high, and bring it to boil and let it boil 6 to 8 minutes until the potato are fork tender. Let's check it out. Perfect. Break easy and the fork tender. Now turn off and let's transfer everything on a tray on the side. As you can see here, I have a home fries cut, French fries cut, and a crinkle cut. Now you let it cool down a little bit, and in the meantime we're gonna preheat the oil to 325 Fahrenheit. So as soon as the oil temperature reach 325, we're good to start frying. And you start putting it a little bit at the time. Watch your hand, or you can use one of those you put in it, and safety first. As long as you keep the oil temperature between 320 to 330, this is the result. Nice golden crisp. Nice, can you hear it? Little bit salt. And fork never lie. Oh boy, can't wait to try. Wow, super crunchy from outside, fluffy from the inside, and there's a problem for me now. I won't be able to stop eating those perfect golden crunchy fries. So all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.